In this video, I show you how to withdraw from Lazada Paylater. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. Here are the two options to consider. Number 1. Convert Lazada Paylater to Gcash. For that, you need to consider these steps. Number 1. Open the Lazada official app and add items to your cart. Then choose Lazada Paylater as the payment method and place the order. Then chat with the seller and follow their instructions to send your Gcash mobile number. Then wait for confirmation that you have received money in Gcash from the seller. Then check your Gcash wallet and your Lazada Pay Later balance to see the conversion. Option number 2. Withdrawal from Lazada wallet. Log in into your Lazada account and click on the wallet icon. Select available banners and indicate the refund amount. Then choose refunds and confirm the details. Then withdraw the funds and wait for verification, which may take up to 3 business days. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.